Hello everyone. Today we learn hand action verb. Wave,
Wave,
clap,
clap,
point,
point,
grab,
grab,
hold,
hold,
push,
push,
pull,
pull,
touch,
touch,
kick,
pick,
drop,
drop,
draw,
draw,
catch,
catch,
shake,
shake,
knock,
knock,
lift,
lift,
raise,
raise,
press,
press,
twist,
twist,
turn,
turn,
carry,
carry,
pinch,
pinch,
rub,
rub,
scratch,
scratch,
sign,
sign,
write,
write,
draw,
draw,
cut,
cut,
fold,
fold,
open,
open,
close.
close.